Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while. So as of late I've really been thinking about picking up the camera and vlogging. I've been so obsessed with watching people's like daily vlogs, day in the life, what I eat in the days, and I just thought I would come back, give it a go, do something that sort of pushes me outside my comfort zone. I am making dinner. The last thing I feel like doing after being at work all day is cooking, and people say eating healthy is hard. It's not that hard. So what I've got here is chickpea pasta. It takes like literally 10 minutes to cook. Just some veggies. I've cooked them in the pan, and then this ginger and pumpkin soup, and I use this as like a sauce, and I mix everything all together. I just finished cooking my dinner. This is it, just a delicious big bowl of veggie pasta, and the pumpkin sauce is just really versatile. You can add like a curry sort of paste into it as well. That works really nicely. I'm so out of practice. I keep looking at the viewfinder, not the lens. Anyway, I'll get better. Yeah, I'm gonna eat dinner, and then I might check in with you later. If not, I will check in with you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning guys, it's bright and early. It's about 4:15. It is Thursday today. I'm just about to go through my morning routine, and I thought I would show you a little bit about what I do every single morning. So I'm just about to make my greens drink. It's something I have every single morning. It's just greens powder and chlorella. So I normally just do like about a tablespoon's worth of chlorella, and then I do a teaspoon of my greens powder. Just a little trick for any powders and things that you use every single day. Instead of using a teaspoon every single morning, grab a teaspoon, chuck it in the bag or in like a canister like this, and just continue to use the same one each morning. It just makes it so much easier. Oh, sneeze, sorry. And faster. And then to mix my greens to get the best texture, use an electric little whizzer. I think it's like a coffee frother, I'm not sure, but yeah, it just mixes it perfect. And the second thing I do every single morning, I normally start my day with a double shot. So this is a double shot serve in here. So I start my day with a double shot, and then I normally have a double shot before I train as well. If I know I plan to have a little bit more caffeine for whatever reason, I have things on the afternoon, I'll actually make this decaf. I've just finished up with Pilates, and at the studio I love Thursdays because I only have to take one class in the morning, and then I jump in with Pilates that's instructed by Megan, and then I go and get some steps in a little bit. But every day I get a little shot from the Beat Bar, which is like a health cafe in Townsville, and it is literally full. It's a shot of lemon and ginger juice, and I get turmeric added to it, and it's just super strong, but it's really good for your immune system. It helps promote bile production and HCl, which is really good for your digestive function, so you assimilate and absorb nutrients better when you do eat. It's a great metabolism booster. It's packed with like antioxidants, vitamin C. It's anti-inflammatory as well. So I just like to start my day with this, especially on days like today where I am feeling a little bit run down. It just really gives me a little pickup. So I'm gonna go get some steps in now, and I will check in with you. just got back from doing some steps and I'm having breakfast, so I just thought I would show you what I'm having. I don't eat this every day. I do mix it up. Maybe if I have something different, I will show you that. If not, I'll show you how to make this, just because there's a few different ways to make chia seed pudding, so I'll show you how I make mine. But yeah, I'll just show you what I'm doing. I'm having chocolate chia seed pudding. So I've just got protein powder, chia seeds, hemp seeds, and almond milk, which I soaked overnight. And then I've got cacao nibs and frozen raspberries, and it's so good, so filling, high in protein. It supports hormones. Oh, I've got cinnamon in there as well, and just a little bit of stevia to sweeten it, and it's just really, yeah, like nutrient dense, high in fiber, minerals, amino acids, plant-based protein, and yeah, super filling and delicious. Don't go anywhere unless I can go in pajamas. Just thought I would show you the outfit that I'm wearing. So these are from Lacey Fit. Matching bra. I love the material and the look of the tights. They're a really good scrunch bum. And yeah, I feel like this is as bar sort of outfit as I can get. Slowly left. Good. Straighten your knees. Hold your ass in. Hello. Different. It's not something I normally make, but I haven't had a second coffee this morning, so I'm like wanting a bit more energy and I'm wanting a little bit more something filling. So I'm going to make a protein iced coffee. So what I have in my blender is ice, a little bit of frozen avocado for some healthy fats. It's good for your hair, hormones, and your skin. And then I have half a frozen banana. I have a double shot of my coffee from my machine. I'm just going to pour that over. Then I'll probably add a little bit more coconut milk from the carton. So a little tip, if you want your smoothies to be thick, only pour the liquid up until the ice part. So you don't want to add too much liquid or else it doesn't stay thick. Favorite protein Botanica blend. It's vegan, clean, it has enzymes to help you digest, probiotics, all of that good stuff, but it doesn't taste like sand. It has a really nice texture and the vanilla cake batter is delicious. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of that and then I'm just going to blend it up. So I have just made the protein iced coffee. It is so thick, look at that. That's exactly how I like it and it tastes really good as well. So I'm super happy. It's delish, thick and creamy. Okay, I will see you later. Bye. Hey guys, so it's a few hours later. I'm about to head over to Hair Cartel to get my hair washed. It's so gross. I leave it until they wash my hair for me. So I normally get my hair done once a week at Hair Cartel from either Emily or Leash, and honestly this has transformed the health of my hair and the length of my hair. It's just growing so rapidly, and I think honestly it comes down to the fact that I'm using the correct products at the correct times on my hair, because my hair is just so indecisive. 1 minute it's oily, 1 minute it's dry, so just knowing what to use and when and like how much has just transformed it. So I'm going there. I will take you around, and then that's really it for the rest of the day today. Over the weekend I have a few like fun girly things on, so I will show you all of that. So this is what I'm wearing. It's an Yves Saint Laurent shirt from Colin Terry, and then these are the other lacy fit biker shorts. They are also quite itchy.
You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting on you to be looking violent. Talking when you come around and not exciting. Flew the 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know and being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin'. Yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Mom, for me, a burger. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl.
So after I got my hair done, it's all clean and fresh, Leash and I decided to go to the shops. She wanted to get a bikini. I didn't need anything, ended up getting stuff anyway. So I'll show you what I got, and then we went to Family Life, which is like a health shop here. So I'll show you what I got. It's got like some navy biker shorts and this really cute like tight like singlet crop top. Then I got these thin scrunchies. I have thick ones, but thin ones are really good because I've been wearing my hair like half up, half down, and scrunchies are the best for your hair because it doesn't kink or break it. I just got a makeup, it's like a face cloth really. I'm just using new face washes every time I wash my hair. It's just more hygienic for your face. Sorry, every time I wash my face. And then I bought another one of these. I've already got one in pink, but they are sort of just like a headband that you wear when you wash your face or when you're taking or putting makeup on, just to protect your hair, and it stops like makeup getting in your hairline or your hair getting wet, like that top section of your hair. And then from Family Life Organics, we used to get this milk here called like Australian's Own, and it was like a chocolate almond milk, and they discontinued it, which is honestly so sad. Alternative to that. So for dinner tonight, I'm just having a huge bowl of salad. It literally has everything you can think of. It's got lots of healthy fats. It's got olives, avocado, it has pumpkin seeds, and literally a ton of veggies, and some turmeric sauerkraut as well.
So long for me, so cheap, being flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting on you to be looking violent. Talking when you come around and not exciting. Flew the 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know and being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin'. Yeah, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and a Birkin. No, not about put the work in. Lost and all, I love them all for me a burger. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, get my last name. I know you're tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. I don't wanna go out. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it.
It is Saturday now. I have just spent some time this morning getting ready, cleaning the house. Having mama and dad's cat makes such a difference to like the amount of cat hair around. So I just got up, I cleaned a little bit, potted around, put some makeup on. I'm gonna make my greens drink now and my coffee, and then Ash and I are going to do our Saturday morning ritual. We normally just get a coffee, we go for a walk, then we get in a coffee, and then sometimes we go to Beat Bar and get these gluten-free vegan waffles that are just amazing. And then I've just got like a little bit of errands too, and then I still have a lot of work to do today. Online check-ins, online clients, content, all of that sort of thing. So this morning I'm just wearing the little outfit that I got yesterday, this blue little crop, navy biker shorts and white Adidas.
El chakra es un camión de remolque.
AG.
In the afternoon on Saturday, I went for a walk, got coffee and had brekkie with Ash, and then I just went to the shops. Shari and I are going on a hike tomorrow after we meet some girlfriends for coffee. So yeah, we're going out. I will definitely take you around, but we're going on a hike and I'm in charge of snacks. So I just thought I would show you what I'm packing, because I don't want any like cold foods, because we've got like a bit of a car drive and then we're obviously going to be like hiking for a while, so I don't want any perishables. So I thought I would show you some healthy, quick, easy alternatives that you can take on like picnics, in your kids' lunches, to work, to school, whatever you are doing that are healthy. Always be mindful with healthy snacks, although they're healthy, obviously like they still have calories, so these are better options. You don't want to eat everything. We probably definitely won't eat this all, but I'm an overpacker and I just want to make sure everyone's happy. So these are my favorite. These are dark chocolate, so they're dairy-free covered rice cakes, gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan, delicious. In here we've got chocolate bikinis with like coconut, cacao nibs and currants. That is so good. It's a really good granola that you can have like on top of yogurt, on a smoothie bowl, just picking out it as a snack like we're going to. Then we've got coconut and date squares, mixed nut and fruit mix. All of these are from Source, which is like an organic shop here in Townsville. Messy Monkeys popcorn, some seaweed snacks. In here I've got apricots. They are sulfate free and naturally dried. There's no added sugar or anything, which is why they're darker. Be really mindful with apricots of you getting the really orangey yellow ones. Normally they have like dyes and artificial things in them to keep them that color. So normal like Turkish apricots should be this color. Some dark dairy-free chocolate and just like some fruit and nut squares. So that will definitely keep us satisfied and happy throughout the day.
El chakra es un camión de remolque.
Good morning. It is Sunday. It is 8:30 this morning. I just got up, went downstairs. Our apartment has a gym, so I just went and did a quick little session, packed and got ready for our hike. Shari is picking me up in 10 minutes and we're going to meet some of the Sweat Studio girls for coffee at Annie's, and then yeah, it's hike time. So super excited for a really nice Sunday. It's really hazy this morning though, which is a little bit odd. This is the outfit for the day. Just leopard, I'm always in leopard biker shorts, black crop tee, black cap.
Been too long for and flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got it back and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting on you to be, I'm looking violent. Talking right, you come around and now it's silent. Flew the quick 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't nothing that you know it be modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. No, baby, in the back in the Birkin.
Really getting it.
Girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. But come on, get my last name. You know you're tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl.